Okay, in today's lesson, we'll be working with Django. What is Django? One more time.
Django, it's like language, programming language.
No, it's
Frame.
Python. Python is a programming language. What is Django? It's a backend framework.
Framework.
What is a framework?
It's
What's the
difficult.
difference between front end and back end frameworks?
Backend, it's like you
Everything
connect.
that.
You connect database, another integration, yes, like this. Front end, it's when you wrote code, yes,
Write code.
write code like this.
Okay, let's read the plan. Let's read. So, in today's lesson, we'll.
I can I don't.
Excuse me, 1 minute. So now you can. Okay. In today's lesson, we will.
We will create a Django project and work with virtual environment. venv. Launch it on different ports. Work with bridged and NAT. Understand 127 local host, yes. Yes.
4 zeros and the number of the port. What do you think this is? I explained everything in the video that I uploaded on Monday. So I know that you didn't have time to watch. You didn't have time to watch that video, but you should have. Okay. So, and commands for today. Oh, what's wrong? Where are the commands? I wonder what happened. Why aren't there any commands here? Looks like I deleted them by accidentally. Okay. Then share your screen with me.
I can't.
Now you can. Close your.
Sorry.
Yes, nobody needs to see what you have there, your messages. Okay. Launch your Ubuntu desktop. How many ports do we have? How many ports are there in total?
How many ports?
65,535. And we can open any of them. Not any of them, yeah? We need to look for a free one. Are you launching your Ubuntu desktop? Launch it.
Yes.
No, you aren't. Start. Click Start. You know, to become a real IT specialist, you need to spend at least 5 hours a day doing this. Do you know this? No? At least 5 hours a day. And of course in English, only in English. It's very, very hard work. To say that it's hard is to say nothing. Extremely hard. Okay. So what's the difference between localhost and other IP addresses? What is the IP address of the localhost? How do you understand this?
Localhost is, for example, IP address. My laptop has your IP address. It's localhost. Our laptop or computer have localhost, yes, and for example, private public IP address, it's another. It's
different.
different. Yes, it's IP your laptop. And
No, public IP address.
wait, no laptop router.
It's not exactly the IP address of my router. This is the IP address that my provider gives me.
No, yes.
So
And
I have a cable, yeah? So I have a cable inside my apartment, yeah, which is a LED inside my apartment. So the IP address is in that cable, understand? Okay. And then I connect that cable to my router. Got it? Okay, let's work in terminal. I think we can work from Windows. We can work here, or we can SSH from Windows. I think it's better to SSH. It's more comfortable, right? To SSH. But first, to SSH, how do we check if it's NAT or bridged? How do we do this?
we can type.
No. How do we check if it's, yes, we can type, but where do we check?
Or we can open settings and network.
So it's NAT.
It's NAT.
Switch to bridged. For now, switch to bridged. Okay. Yes, and no. Why? Ah, okay. So now close this terminal and open a new one and type IP address one more time. Yes, see, 10. We have 10. It means that it's not. No, it's still NAT. It didn't switch to bridged because if it was bridged, you would see your IP address, right? Okay.
Maybe I'm.
Breached? Yeah, okay, one more time. Okay, open one more. No. Don't do it for now. Open one more terminal, another terminal. Maybe now, because it takes some time to change, to switch. Okay, restart your Ubuntu desktop. Restart it. So think of your machine as a very tall building, very, very tall building. And there are 65,535 apartments in this building. This is exactly how many ports it has, right? So today we'll be running our Django website server, yeah, on many different ports. First, we'll work with bridged, and then we'll work with NAT. NAT is, what is it, NAT? When we...
When, for example, our devices connected к разным роутерам,
to
for
different
нас
routers.
different routers, yes, and we use NAT.
NAT is when we open a port, yeah?
Yes, and we open.
Yes, now
Okay.
it's breached. Yeah, now you see the real the IP address of this machine. Let's SSH from Windows. From Windows
Okay.
is right control, command prompt, and SSH. You are doing this in Ukrainian. Say what you're doing.
Так, окей. I open terminal and type SSH, my username, and IP address my Ubuntu server.
Of my Ubuntu
It's
server.
of
It's
my
not server,
Ubuntu
it's
server.
desktop.
Desktop.
Are you sure? 137 or 107? Ah, okay, yes.
And enter.
You're
Okay,
in.
so yes.
What do we do now? Type sudo apt update. The more often you run this command, the better. You need to always update everything.
Okay.
Yeah, now type sudo apt install. No,
А я ничего не нажала.
no, you did. Sudo apt install Python 3 hyphen. No space. Venv. No, peep. First you need to install peep, sorry. How do we install peep? 1 minute. Install Python 3 peep, hyphen peep.
Install -pip?
Python 3 hyphen peep.
Sudo install Python
Enter.
3 pip.
Yes. For those who didn't watch the previous video, please watch it. It's taking some time to install. What do you think pip is? What is pip?
I don't know, maybe package.
It's a Python package installer.
Mm-hmm.
It installs it has everything we need. All packages. Yeah, it will take some time to do this. Why do we need virtual environments? What do you think?
Virtual environments.
We need to always work from inside our virtual environment. Why do you think we need to work from inside our virtual environment? I said this in the previous lesson. Yeah, you didn't watch, unfortunately. Because to avoid dependency hell. Today we'll test it and you will see. Now let's install a virtual environment. Everything that we need to create virtual environments. Sudo apt install Python 3 Python mistake -venv. And what do you think apt is? Apt. It's like a package installer for Ubuntu, right? Okay, now type pip freeze and you will understand. Now you will understand why we need to work from inside virtual environments.
Like this?
Pip space freeze. See, we have all of them.
It's
yes,
our.
But we don't need all of them. Understand? And when you create a virtual environment, you will see that we don't have anything there, and we'll be installing everything in our virtual environment. Got it? Now let's create a folder here, and let's call this folder Nastya Django, Nastya_Django. Django, not Django.
Wait. How
Delete
can I
rmdir folder Nastya Django, what you wrote. ls to check. You don't have it, right? Let's create one more. Be careful. No. And you need to learn how to type without looking at the keyboard. I do it like this.
It's difficult.
It's difficult, but everything is possible. You know, practice makes perfect. Everything seems impossible, but everything is possible. You know, impossible is nothing. It's not like nothing is impossible. Impossible is nothing. Okay. And now we need to create a virtual environment, and we can give any name to this virtual environment. So let's create our virtual environment, and for that you need to type Python 3 space -m.
What?
-m space venv space, and now we can give any name to our virtual environment. Nastya venv, for example. Nastya, or maybe Nastya env. Yeah, not Nastya venv. Okay, yeah, Nastya venv. Yeah. And now don't do anything. If you do it like this, your folder will always be visible. If something is visible, we can see it. Visible, invisible. What do you remember SSH folders? So we have a dot before SSH, right? And that dot is exactly what makes that folder invisible. And to see that folder, we have to type not ls but la. And to do it like this, to make this folder invisible, put dot before Nastya venv.
Like this?
Yes, and now enter. Your virtual environment is being created. Now let's check. If you type ls, you will not see it. Did you go inside Nastya Django? Where did you create this virtual environment? You had to create this inside this folder. Django.
Maybe I.
Yes, and now create it here.
Да, sorry. Так, Python 3 -m venv. dot last venv.
Enter. ls,
Yes.
nothing. Type la. See? Now we see it. How do we activate this virtual environment? Type pip freeze. Enter. See, we have everything here because we didn't activate your virtual environment, but we need to activate and start working from inside your virtual environment. How do we do this? Type ls, la. Yeah, now go inside this folder, invisible folder, which is your virtual environment. Yes, cd.
With nan?
No.
Sorry.
Nano works with files. It's a folder. Enter. ls to see what we have here. Go inside bin folder. ls. And the file activate. You can look at what we have inside this file with nano. Enter. See? This is what we have. So, and we need to use this file to run this file to activate the environment. It's written in bash. What is bash?
Bash, it's like
scripting
script
language. Yes.
language, yes.
Control X to exit. And now type source activate. Do you see it? In brackets.
Yes.
It means that we are working inside our virtual environment. It's a very good practice. So you have a lot of different Python projects. Django projects, other like Flask projects, you name it. You need to always install dependencies like packages inside those virtual environments. Okay, now let's install, now type pip freeze one more time. See, we have nothing. And now let's install Django. Type Python, I think, I hope, Python. Yeah, install. And now it's not Python 3 anymore. It's Python, like on Windows. Yeah, Python. Install Django, I think. Enter. I can't understand how it happened that I deleted the files. Yeah, pip install, sorry, pip install, because right now we are installing with pip. It's a package installer in Python. Pip install Django. Like I said, never learn commands by heart. It's impossible. And now let's see. Type pip freeze. No, what are you doing? Pip freeze. See? This is what we installed. This is what we installed inside our virtual environment. If you deactivate this virtual environment, you will see all of these packages one more time. Yeah, but now we have just this Django. Yeah, and we'll learn later what this is. But although we don't have to learn how to code as DevOps engineers. And why are we learning DevOps? Yeah, because unfortunately AI writes wonderful code. And I think that IT programmers and coders are being replaced by AI. But we will still need DevOps engineers, don't worry. Okay, now let's create our first Django project.
Okay. Maybe create folder.
Yes, it's Django hyphen admin. No. Here inside this virtual environment, Django admin. No, not underscore, hyphen admin. Start project. Start, no, one word, jointly. Project. How do we type project? Not J, not G, J. J.
А що це?
J, yes, project. And Nastya Django. Underscore. Enter.
Sure.
And now, okay, show it to the viewers. I explained in the previous video what will happen. Okay, show LA, type LA. See what happened here? We did a terrible thing. But why? What happened here? No, you are inside. Where are you? You are inside the bin folder. You need to go back. cd space ... One more time.
Yes. Okay.
cd space ... One more time. cd space ... One more time. LA. Yes, you had to create it here. Okay, let's do it one more time. And now, don't...
Okay.
See, conflicts. Now you have to delete it. Go inside that folder and, okay, let's create one more. You have to delete. Okay, let's go to that folder and delete it. See, it takes a lot of practice. In our previous lesson, I did it myself, but now you're doing this. And
Delete this.
Django yes, Nasta Django. Delete it. Go inside and delete. Go to that folder and delete it. How do we do this? Go inside this folder. What are you doing? Yes, okay. Go inside bin. ls. Delete this Nasta Django. How do we rm hyphen rf space
Or hyphen.
yes r f. And now the name of the folder that you have to delete. Nasta Django. You delete like folders that contain something which are not empty. Do it. ls to see.
A django-admin.
And django-admin as well, also delete it.
Also, okay.
No, wait a minute. django-admin? No,
Yes.
no, I think no.
No, we created django-admin in bin.
Did you create django-admin as well?
No, but it's in bin we created.
No, go back.
Delete maybe, yes?
No, don't delete it. Type ls here to make sure that it was deleted. Yes, we don't have this folder anymore. Let's go back. And one more time. LA. Yes, and now create this folder here. Yes, and don't be in a hurry. Don't do it, just put it here. And now, dot, space dot. Because space dot, and now if you put this dot, it means that it will be installed here. Your manage.py will be here. Because if without this dot, you will have to enter the folder that was created, then one more folder. But if you do it like this, it will be installed here. Like the inside of this folder will be installed here in the same root. Yeah. Okay. Enter. ls, la, la. Yeah. See, I always do it like this. My virtual environment is always in the same folder as my manage.py, and is in Django we always work with manage.py, always. Oh, we lost a lot of time, unfortunately. But if you had watched that video, now it would be a lot easier for you. So please watch our videos, and everybody who is watching, please watch these videos. I know they are very long. Okay, now let's run our server. Python manage.py space run server. Enter. See? On what port is it running?
8000.
8000. So this is exactly the port that you will have to type to enter this Django project server website, right? So one more time, think of your Ubuntu machine as a very big, tall structure, building. And right now, all the equipment is inside apartment number 8000. Yeah? And everybody from this building or from other buildings, from other devices, that is, that are connected to the same router, because right now the connection is breached. It means that they are on the same network. Got it? So,
Yes.
And now, how do we check if it's running? So now this local host IP address, shows 127, that machine is speaking to itself. We are inside this building, and this is how we speak to other rooms, to other apartments. To connect with other apartments, we do it with localhost IP address. Now, how do we check if the website is running, if the server is running? Where do we do this? We go inside our Ubuntu desktop. It will not work here because it's your Windows. You need to go inside your Ubuntu desktop and open the browser there. Open the browser. And now, what do we do? 127. And the name of the port, the number of the port. Yes, enter. See? It's running. Our Ubuntu server is running. Yes. And as DevOps engineers, here everything ends for us here. We don't work with code. Understand? DevOps engineers don't work with code. Go inside this folder that we created from Windows, because we SSH'd into this machine from Windows. Yes, and show to the viewers the folder for them to see. We created this folder and everything from the command line interface.
1 minute.
Where is it? Nasta Django, right?
Yes. This Nasta Django.
Yes. So, and we as DevOps engineers don't work inside this folder. The work is done by coders, programmers. We don't work with HTML, CSS. We don't. We work with IP addresses, ports, and we'll be working with lots of different tools. Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform. We'll be creating virtual machines on AWS. So this is what DevOps, we are responsible for CI/CD pipelines. Yeah, but DevOps engineers have a lot of responsibilities. But what there is inside this folder, it's not, it's our concern, because if something doesn't work, it's bad. But DevOps engineers are responsible for other things, not for code, actually. Okay, now let's launch this on a different port. We are managing yes, we can do it here, but why? We are managing your Ubuntu desktop from your Windows to show that we can do this from Windows, because we'll be managing our virtual machines from Windows on AWS.
Okay.
Control C to stop the server. And now let's launch this server on a different port. Type Python manage.py runserver. And now by default it's running on port 8000, but this time if you want to change the port space, and let's change to 65,000. 65,000. No, not here. 65,000. 500. 65,535. 35. Yes. Enter, yes. And right now we are putting all the equipment, everything inside that room, inside that apartment on the last floor. Understand? Our Django is running on that port.
It's base port,
and actually everybody can enter our Django project, through that port, through that equipment that is inside that apartment. Think of these apartments as ports. Think of ports as apartments. Understand?
Yes, but why 65,000? It's like base
This is
port.
the last port, because if you type 65,536, it will throw an error. Why? Why? Why do you think it will throw an error if you type 65,536?
I don't know.
Because there are 65,535 ports in total. That's all. That's all we have. Understand?
Ну, я не понимаю, почему именно вы это число.
Okay, type the last one. Okay, Control C. And speak English, please. Control C. Python. Manage.py. Run server. 65,536. See what's happening? Port must be 0 to 65,535. Do you understand?
This?
Because we don't have 65,536 ports. We don't have so many, understand? The last thing, believe me, the last thing I want to do is to switch to Russian or to Ukrainian, because we are watched by foreigners. And I know that we are watched by foreigners. We are watched from people from India, the USA, from Taiwan, by the way. So, and we have to speak only English. And yes, I could explain everything in Russian to you in Ukrainian, but I can't. Because it's for viewers. Okay, Control C. And let's run this on port 65,535. Python.
Python.
Mhm.
Python run.
Manage.py, because we always work with manage.py. Runserver. Mistake. And let's use this port. This is the last port. No, 5. Okay, now let's go inside our Ubuntu desktop and launch and see and check. What do we do?
Six
Yes.
five. Three five.
See? It's working, right?
Successfully, yes.
And change to any other number, 65, to show the viewers that it will not work. Change to any other number, yes. See? It's not working. But why did you change to this number?
I don't know.
We don't have so many ports. 4. Okay, let's do it one more time. We don't have so many ports.
And
Okay, let's do
what
it one more
was
time. Let's open this website in our browser one more time. In the address box. No, not here. Address. Yes, here. Delete everything. And 127. And the number of the port.
no?
65,535. Enter. Change to 4, please. Don't change to 6 or to 8, because we don't have so many ports. Understand? Should I switch to Russian or what?
Yes, yes,
I
I
cannot switch to
understand.
Russian. I don't have this right. What are you doing? Yeah, see? Yes, yeah, you changed to 300, yes. See? Because we don't have so many ports. We have just
Yes.
65,535. And this is exactly why I'm not switching. You need to understand everything in English. And actually right now, we are killing 2 birds, or we are hitting 2 targets with 1 shot. Yeah, we are learning IT and English at the same time. It's very, very useful. I know that it's very hard, but believe me, this is the most effective way, because IT is in English. And if your English is better, and your English will be better, in 2-3 months from now, your English will be way better, and it will be easier for you to speak to foreigners. And maybe you will get a job in some American company, maybe. It's your future. You need to take your life a lot more seriously. I understand that you are a young, beautiful girl, and maybe you think that you don't have to learn to study. Yeah, and I know that a lot of women think that they don't have to learn, and all they have to do is to find a successful man, and he will do everything. Yes, it's an option, by the way. It's an option. Why not? Yes, because I can show the viewers your picture. Yes, and they will be shocked by that picture. Yeah, but you must think. Yeah, that I will show like that photo that you have on Telegram, right? Yes, but women are not just for that. Women should be smart as well. And a lot of men prefer smart women. Okay, let's do it. Let's switch. No. Now let's let's have access to this website from another building, from your Windows machine. Understand? And how do we do this?
Yes.
How can we? And now we will open
Open
this
this
in the
on my.
browser. Yeah, Control C, Control C,
Oi.
Control C. Yes, and now what do we do? What do we need to do in order for people from other buildings or like from other devices to be able to open our website, our Django website? What do we do?
Must open.
So right now, if you type 127, only we can listen to this website, to this port, yeah, only from inside our building, only from the inside of our machine, right?
No, we must open another port.
How do we do this? How can we allow people from other buildings, or how can we allow other devices to listen to our website, to use the services
But,
of our apartment, yeah, that hosts that equipment or houses that equipment?
I must type my public IP and open the
No,
port.
to allow
So,
other devices to use that website. Yeah, devices that are on the same network, because right now it's breached. We need to type Python manage.py. Yes, runserver. And now we don't type the local IP address, but what do we type? 0.0.0.0.
only.
Yes, and this command, not this command, yeah, colon, and the number of the port. And we can we can put our equipment in any apartment, any port, yeah? And people will listen to that website through any port. What are you doing? Yes,
8,000
we
maybe.
can, for example, any port, 9,000, okay, enter. See? One more time. Tell the viewers what this is. Why did we do this?
If I want to, no, I type Python manage.py runserver, and after
And
that,
now we can access the website from other devices. You can do this from your
yes.
phone right now. You can type because your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi. If your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi, you can access this server. Yeah, let's do this. Use Wi-Fi. It's very important to use Wi-Fi. And you can show the viewers in the camera, yeah, that it's working.
1 minute.
Connect to the Wi-Fi. And type the IP address of this device.
IP address 000, yes.
No, the IP address of your Ubuntu server desktop. Okay,
Ah,
let's do this on Windows. Okay, so
okay.
let's do this on Windows. So, for example, your virtual desktop machine, think of it as your laptop, like another device, right? So it's virtual, it's not real, but there is no difference actually. Think of this Ubuntu desktop as something real, like my laptop, for example. Yeah, in the first lesson, I SSH into my laptop from my Windows. So, for example, yeah, think of this virtual desktop as your laptop, and now you want to access that website from your computer, for example. Yeah, and they are both connected to the same router. Yeah, let's do this. Go to Windows.
Another window.
No, browser.
Ah, okay.
Browser, of course. And now type the IP address.
Ubuntu.
Of course.
Okay.
Yeah, now I
What
see.
is it?
Now I see how difficult this is. Not just for you, yeah, because when I do this, yeah, it's hard for me to understand how other people understand this, yeah, because I have been working with this for a very long time.
What I must open? This?
You need to type the IP address. Do you know the
In
IP
my
address?
desktop, in my Ubuntu desktop.
Yes, in your browser, you have this IP address. You see this IP address.
Yes. Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
you
and
need to type this
now,
IP address in your Windows browser.
this.
Yes, type the IP address.
Так, okay.
And the
Into,
number of the port
uh,
at which the
oh,
website is running.
and
Colon.
column,
Yes, and the number of the port was
it's
9,000. 9,000. Yeah,
enter.
yes. See? Why do you think it's not working? Yeah, we have access to this website. But why do you think it's not working? Now show the viewers. Go to your Ubuntu desktop
Ubuntu desktop.
and go inside our folder, master Django, settings.py, settings.py, open it, and enter this IP address in allowed hosts.
I understand. Allowed
Scroll down
hosts.
to allowed hosts. Yeah, see, square brackets here, colon, quotes, single or double, it doesn't matter.
Quotes.
Quotes, single or double quotes.
And type this.
The IP address, yeah. What is it? Double quotes. Control S to save.
Control O maybe. Or
It's not nano, it's Control S. Like on Windows, Control S. And now go to Windows again. Windows.
Windows.
Yeah, now we are running from different devices. Yes.
And now
Windows, browser. Yes, here, enter. Yes, see, it's running. Understand?
class.
Now do it on your phone. Enter this IP address on your phone and show the viewers, because your computer, your phone, your Ubuntu desktop, they are all connected to the same router. Make sure that your phone is on the same network.
Yes.
Colon 9,000.
Do you see?
No, closer.
No,
Bring it closer to the. No,
you don't see.
no, it's white. Just white, not just white. Okay, tell the viewers that it's working.
Uh,
Is it working?
yes, it's working.
Yes, it's working. Okay, the connection now is breached, right?
Yes.
Now let's switch to NAT.
Okay.
And what is NAT? One more time, tell the viewers what is NAT.
NAT, it when your device is connected, not in
Not
not
to the
in
same router,
browser,
but to
and you
different
must open
routers.
port.
Or what is NAT? For example, I am in my part of Ukraine and you are in your part of Ukraine. And if you want me to use your website, you need to, or to your laptop, maybe SSH into your laptop, yeah, you need to open a port in your router. And this is exactly what we'll be doing right now. We will be simulating a real life situation, right?
Yes.
And you switch to NAT, right? Yes. See, it's difficult, but it's possible to understand. Is it possible to understand?
Yes.
Of course it is. And believe me, it's way easier than working with code. Way easier, a lot easier. Yeah, because like I said, programmers are being displaced by AI. And now show the viewers then that it's not that it's NAT. See 10.
Yes, it's
It means
NAT.
that it's NAT. And now let's do the same, but let's open a port. And now let's imagine that I want to use your website. Okay, what do we do now? We
I
need
must
to
open
forward a port.
settings.
We need to forward a port. How do we forward a port?
No, I must open a port.
Move the cursor to the bottom of the screen and go to settings, Oracle VirtualBox settings. Settings, network, port forwarding. Do you see it?
Port forwarding, yes. Open.
Delete everything. Delete everything. What do we do now? So we need to create two rules. Rule 1 and rule 2. Why do we think we need to create two rules? Rule number 1 is to SSH into your machine, right? And rule number 2 is to use your website, to have access to your website. Understand?
Yes.
And in both cases, we need to open ports. So let's name SSH first. SSH. And let's open any port in your router. For example, 43s, yeah? And guest port, why is it 22?
It's
Because
based for...
by default, SSH listens on port 22. And SSH allows us to manage a laptop, a device, right? Okay, don't do anything right now. Okay, type, press OK, click OK. Okay. No, okay. One more time. What is it? What was that? Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Again. And now let's SSH from your laptop into your virtual machine. And one more time, think of this. So right now, imagine that I want to SSH into your laptop. So you open a router, a port in your router, and you have a real static IP address, which is public, right? And now you tell me, I open port 43s, 33, 33, right? And I am, for example, from Windows, yeah? I type SSH. Yes, this is your server, the name of your Ubuntu desktop. And now we need to type localhost. But in the real world, I would type what?
Public IP.
Yes, your public static IP address. Yeah, but you don't have it as well, just like me. Yes, and now the number of the port that we opened.
It's -p and
4 3s, right? 4 3s. Enter. Yes, and I entered your laptop from my part of Ukraine, for example, yeah? And why didn't it ask me to type a password, that password?
Because we change...
Because we added
authentication.
the public key.
The public key in
Inside that file, authorized keys file, right?
Yes.
And this is why you didn't type the password. So think of this situation. You have a laptop in your part of Ukraine. I'm here. You have like very, very valuable information, maybe like secret information, yeah? You tell me the password of your Ubuntu desktop laptop, yeah, so your Ubuntu laptop, and you tell me, go to here, open port, use this port. And I go inside your laptop and I pull all the information I need from your laptop, from my part of the world, right? And this is exactly what we did right now. But here we are simulating it's not real, it's virtual, yeah? Therefore, here we type localhost, but in the real world, we would type public static IP address. And right now, you and I have CGNet. We need to pay money to have the static public IP address. What do we do now? Now that we SSH'd, let's do it one more time. Let's run our server. We are managing. We are doing the same, but we are not on the same network anymore. We are from different parts of the world. Yeah, for example, and right now I want to manage your laptop from my part of the world. What do we do? Let's do the same. Let's run the server one more time.
Python, yes.
No, we need to go inside our folder. We created a folder. Yes. We are inside your Ubuntu desktop right now, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. LA, sorry. And what do we do now?
CD.
First, we need to activate the virtual environment. Type pip freeze. See, we have all of this. We don't need so much.
Yes.
We need to activate our virtual environment. The name of your virtual environment is venv, right?
venv,
Okay,
yes.
let's activate it.
Sudo, yes.
No, type ls. LA. We have this venv, yeah? With this dot in front of it makes this folder invisible. So you can go inside this folder and activate like that, or you can do it like this. Type source. Now the name of your venv, virtual environment, /bin /activate, and you show the path from this folder, yeah, inside that activate file. Enter. See? Understand?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, you can do it like this, like cd, and then cd space dot, cd space dot again, yeah, but why? And now let's run the server one more time.
Python. Python manage.py run server.
Yes, and by default, it's running on port 8000. Let's do this.
Type 8000?
No, it's by default. See? Now let's go inside your Ubuntu desktop to show that it's working, because right now we are managing your virtual machine from inside Windows. Think of them as two different devices, but right now they are in different parts of the world.
This.
127. See? What do we do? One more time. As DevOps engineers, actually, wouldn't have to do this, but we'll be working with Django as well, and Postgres and everything. What do we do now?
Add it.
We go inside settings.py and add this localhost. Yes.
I can do it.
No. Yes, you can do it here, but why? It'll be faster if you do this in GUI, in graphic user interface. No, inside Ubuntu desktop. In GUI,
yes.
Yeah, show the viewers. Yes. GUI stands for graphic user interface. CLI is command line interface, and GUI graphic user interface. Settings.py. Add it here, localhost to 127. Allowed hosts, comma, yes. Quotes. No.
What?
Quotes. Close it. Close. Do you see? No?
No, yes,
Control S to save. And let's do it one more time. See? It's working. And now I want to use your website from my part of Ukraine. Yeah? Or you want everybody to use your website, and now we'll be launching it on different ports one more time. So let's manage. So right now I can manage your laptop from my part of Ukraine, and I can also access your website, for example. Yeah, and everybody. Yes, now we can do whatever we want. Now that we have your static IP address, we can do lots of things, but every time we need to forward a port. Understand? In your router. Let's do this. Let's open one more port, 8000 by default.
On settings.
Yes. And let's add one more rule. One more rule. Website or Django or website as you wish. And of course, after that, you will have to watch this video because I know that you didn't understand a lot of things, because on Friday, we'll be doing the same with a virtual machine on AWS. No, another port, 8000. You need to open first, you need to open a port in our router.
I understand.
It's like external port, right? External port. It's not 8000.
Yes.
You can, no, any other port is external. Yes, 60, 56, 56. And guest port will be 8000. It's internal port. Understand? 8000. Yes. Enter. No, okay. Type okay. You didn't type okay. Do it one more
Why?
time. Yeah, okay. And one more time, okay, yes. And what do we do now?
Open my router settings and open the port.
You go to your Windows,
Windows. Type my
and
IP.
instead of in the real world, I would type your static IP address, but we are simulating this. Here we type what? Your local host.
Yes.
Right? Do this. In the browser, No, browser. It's website. It's not SSH, it's your browser. I don't need to manage your laptop anymore. I need to see your website. If you
Like I
don't
want to check my IP address. I don't know.
localhost,
Ah, 127.
and the
Yes.
number of the port that we opened in your router,
Router.
Yes, enter. It doesn't work. Why? But it should work actually. Okay, let's go inside forward one more time. Forward. But you didn't type Python. Okay, go inside that command prompt with runserver. Yeah, Control C. And we need to type 000 to allow other people to use our website. Understand? No, Python manage.py run server 000, and let's open port number 8000. Yes, 8000. Enter. And now let's go to the browser inside your Windows. Yes, enter. No. 56, yeah, 56. Yeah, yes. Is the port that you see?
Yes.
Yes, but it takes a lot more time to fully understand this. And now do the same from your phone.
Okay.
No, wait a minute. Maybe you will not be able to do this from your phone. No, your phone is. Wait a minute. Will it be? No, you will not be able to do this from your phone. Okay, but in real life, but you try anyway. You try. Do
And
this.
it's not.
Huh?
It's not work.
Yeah, it's not working, of course. Yeah. And in the real world, what do we type instead of the local host IP address? What do we type?
Public
Your
IP.
static public IP address. Understand?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now one more time. Let's change the port. Go to NAT forwarding, and let's change the port. And
Network.
let's change it to the last port. No. Yes, port forwarding. Guest port, and let's change it to 65,535 because this is how many ports we have.
New port.
No, this one. Internal port. No, let's change 8,000. 8,000. No, 8,000. No. Guest port. Internal port. Yeah, let's change it to 65,000.
65,000.
535. Yes, and
And
now
host.
let's change this port as well. Let's change it to 10,000, for example. 10,000. No, again.
Okay.
10,000. Yes. And what do we do now? Go inside your Windows, and what do we do? First, we need to stop. Control C, stop. And let's run this server on port 65,535 because this is our internal port on which we are opening this website.
Python manage.py runserver 0 0 0 0 colon
65,000, right?
65 565.
Yeah, 35. Enter.
So
Yes,
35.
and go to Windows. And here you do what? What do you type? What port?
Change
That you opened in your router.
3.
No, 10,000, right? We change it to 10,000. Go and see. Show the viewers. Go to NAT again and show the viewers what we have there. Settings. Network. Port forwarding. It's 10,000, yeah? This is the number of the port that we opened inside your router. And now I can access your website through this port in your router. Type 10,000. It's working, right? And
Yes.
show the viewers. Change to any other number, the port. Just the port. 1,000, for example, or 9,000. Enter. See, it's not working. And now change to 10,000 one more time. So please tell me what we have done today. This lesson was the most difficult so far, right? Very difficult.
This. Вопрос. Не люблю этот. I hate
I don't like,
this.
I hate this question.
I hate this
But
question.
we need to also practice your English because apart from improving your IT skills, we also need to improve your English. And this is a wonderful way to improve your English.
Today we worked with Django. We learned how to create Django project, and we SSH my Ubuntu server with my Windows, and work
We
on
SSH'd
Windows.
from your Ubuntu from Windows.
From Windows, yes. And after we worked on my Windows with Django project, we just 1 minute. We opened another port.
Yeah, we launched the website on different ports.
Yes, on different ports, on a different network.
Yeah,
Yes,
breached and NAT.
NAT or breached
Mhm,
and worked with
mhm.
no, that's
If
all.
we work with NAT, we need to open a port in our
Open
router. Yeah.
yes.
In the
Uh,
virtual world, we type the local IP address 127. Yeah.
yes, but when we worked with breached, we can use only localhost. Yes.
Yeah, but if we work with breached, we type the IP address
No pub.
of that machine, if they are on the same network. But if we work on NAT, we need to uh, type your static IP address, right? The
Mm-hmm.
number of the port.
Mm-hmm.
I have to warn you, our next lessons will be more and more and more difficult. And every lesson will get more and more difficult. Yeah, so get ready. Okay, then that's all for today. Today's lesson was very, very difficult, I know, and this is why it was longer than usual. Usually they last under 1 hour, um, less than 1 hour, but I think today is like 1 hour, an hour and a half.
Yes, and
Okay,
I will see
yeah, please,
the last
please, please
video.
watch the last two videos. This one, I will upload this lesson to YouTube maybe in 2-3 hours today, maybe later.
Mhm.
And please practice, practice, and all those who are watching, practice makes perfect. Theory here is dead. Yeah, when we read books on business, yeah, they're like theory and just a waste of time. But here we need to practice. Thank you a lot. See you on Friday. On Friday we'll be working with AWS and we'll be do the same but on AWS. I will enter that website from my part of the world and you will do this from yours. See you. Bye.
Thank you for the lesson. Bye.
Bye.